Two Brazilian young women passed by and asked me, "What's your plan today?" And I said, "I don't know. I'm retarded, perhaps." And but I answered that way a few times, so maybe they'll stop asking me because I don't know. Does tree know which way to go, how to go? They'll find a way. Depending upon the situation, they may change the direction of the branches going this way or that way, or the root pointing this way or that way. They may know it when it's time to know it and do things. The path we choose may be like that. If we don't use our brain much, we may feel and more intuitively know what's going on. I don't mean to be pushing the swordmanship, but living life is a moment-to-moment practice, and the swordman, samurai, will respond appropriately without mind. No fear, no arrogance, just like a tree may choose the way. In one of the videos I posted, "You are right as you are," or some such title by Myokoni. Everything follows as it is meant. Chodoi in Japanese, chodo is as it is, aligned. So your life may be aligned, and when you have that alignment, it's like in this case the Shin Buddhism, so Namo Amida Butsu. I let go of me for the Bo Amida to save me. And it's like a nature's way to take over, not your narrow-mindedness, but with compassion and wisdom, nature has a way to prevail. So your ego is gone when you say Namo Amida Butsu. Not because you say it, because you let go of ego, your mind. So what's profound to me in Shin Buddhism, where those laymen, the Myokoni, have exhibited like a awakened or enlightened state, not like a Zen approach of koan, but their koan, or the puzzle, is what's the Amida's vow and how the Amida may take over. When they give up themselves, no ego, no mind, they realize they are alive, fully alive as it is, chodoi, as it is. So that's the appreciation of connecting to the way of life, because life is purely a connected state for the atoms and molecules of the universe, put together as some form to create life, you and me. So there's an appreciation of that when you realize that it's not your effort. They call it the jiriki, self-power. It's not jiriki, self-power. It's tariki. Ta is other, So Tariki is other power. The other is Amida's vow, or the nature's way to take over. And it has brought us on this earth to live, even without a mind. We can breathe in and out unconsciously, sleep, and wouldn't get cured. The appreciation of Tariki, represented by Namamida Butsu, Amida Buddha, compassion of Buddha, or nature's way, as Shinran talks about in one of his sutras. Shizen Honi is the way. He expressed Shizen is nature, Honi is laws prevailing, everything as it is. So when you realize that, directly experience that, then everything as it is, and you are just fine. I posted separately about Nenge Misho, which is picking a flowers and looking at and smiling, was the Buddha. There's a connection to that. Be rooted. Discover the core of who we are. May all beings be happy as they are.